What's happening?
Well, it's quite early. It's about 6:15. Yeah, in the morning. And then I'm about to go over to Holly and do some work, but it's not real work, it's just stuff that I should have done last night, but I've got to connect the solar panels up. Because
yeah, we got the solar panels on. You got to update.
Oh yeah, solar panels are on. Yeah, we actually did some of the solar panel fitting on before our little river adventure, which, you know, we could show you a quick little music montage of now.
This is our third attempt, I think. Solar panels. If this filming is a little bit shoddy and shocking, then it's because we're just trying to get the solar panels up. He means biz. Cool.
It's charging the batteries at the moment. It's in the process of charging the batteries.
I'm going to get us some celebratory sandwiches from the bakery. It is chucking it down.
Now we're up, really.
Yeah.
Jo's in her classic sort of 2 shades of pink, 1 sock on, 1 sock off pyjama outfit.
Went to Uniqlo and all this is so soft. It's perfect boat winter wear, heat tech, like fleecy coziness. But let's check out the sky because that's pretty rad today. That looked like a short commute from Vic then. But we're parked up here just for easier access to Holly while things are getting delivered and stuff. So that's why we're just not in the boatyard yet. We didn't go back into the boatyard after we came off the river. We just parked up next to Holly. I'm just going to try and get a nice wide shot of this sunrise. It makes it look really wintry, like look at Zero with the cute lights coming out of her. Very wintry. Oh, Vic's poking his head out. That's the great thing about winter, is that sunrise gets later, so more chance of seeing it. But it's weird to think that you miss that most mornings. We do anyway. And just like that, the working day is over. Little Grandma Victor, all curled up under his little rug. Good night, folks. It's still the same day. We haven't filmed any of today though. Vic's just having a chat with Dan. Dan's our new boat neighbour, and Vic's probably been deprived of company all day because he's been doing plumbing on Holly. Yeah, but it has been quite a busy day. Now I'm so tired from waking up for that sunrise. And I've got lots of like, the midges or mosquitoes have come out in full force. I've got like so many bites. Where is it? Oh, there, that big one. Ooh, so I'm gonna stay in tonight and close these windows sharpish because now is prime time. Look at all the midges. Today's going to be quite a busy day. We've got stainless steel is coming to measure up. We've got to clear some wood out. Nice. Morning. Give us a month or 2, 3 maybe.
I reckon we'll use them first.
Just quickly, Vic, what are you doing?
Mostly, well, we'd piled up all this wood outside just to get it out of the boat, but now Paul's helping us move it out there. He's found us a little shed spot.
Just put them on the front.
That's Paul. You met him before when he was sewing our window liners, and he's helping us with this. They have been cruising for a while, so now he's back. We're taking advantage.
You shall now do my David Bowie impression.
Yeah, I think that might be all it's good for.
Get the big top.
Oh, lovely.
This is where we've been keeping the wood. So we had to move it so that the grass has got some air again. Luckily today's quite nice, so it should dry that out.
There's a spider who lives up here. And like every morning he's built a web across the door, and then every morning I forget and ruin it for him.
Oh. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, it's chaos in here. You basically got to tread lightly over all this wood.
Vic, can you just give us a little update on what's going on?
Well,
if you want to.
Basically, there's things called skin fittings, which are basically holes that go to the outside of the boat at the side, and there's one on this boat that was just already there, and it's there, which is sort of like relatively high up for a boat, but it basically just means that draining anything, like these sinks are quite deep because we need to fit pots and pans in them and stuff, so draining anything is a pain in the neck because you've got to, because obviously you've got to get it to run down to that skin fitting, so that's the challenge now.
All these need to be higher than that, but then that takes that of at a weird height for, ergonomically it's a weird height for someone to use, and the same with the sink, so that's what the frustration is at the moment. But Vic's just put this tap sort of on just to test it. He's gone to go and get the water hose from Zero. I'm going to fill up the water tank and see what happens, just to check if there's any leaks in the plumbing pipes. This will be the first time we filled up this water tank, won't it?
Yeah.
Fresh water going in.
this will be like a pressure test to see where the leaks are in the pipes. And I'm speaking with a fair amount of certainty that there will be some leaks in the pipes. Should we test it?
Yep. In we go. Water pump is behind there somewhere.
You'll be able to hear it in a second. I'm going to go and turn it on.
Oh. Is it going into the clarifier? Wow, I didn't really think it would go there for some reason.
Can't say it's like a hugely comfortable.
I don't think I was prepared for this. Is that alright? Okay. Oh, weird, isn't it? There's water rushing everywhere. Oh, it's coming out a bit. No, it's just a little bit of a leak.
Have you got any kitchen towel or anything? So that definitely leaks.
Is that just on the fitting?
Yeah, I guess so. So I think maybe let's turn it off for now.
Okay.
Give it all a little break.
Green switch.
Green switch, yeah.
Cute.
A couple of connections are leaking a little bit. But it's quite a weird feeling, wasn't it?
Yeah. Everything whizzing through the boat. Oh.
Yeah.
Especially, you know where the outlets are. I was like, where the heck is everything going?
Yeah, that was all a bit mad. To be honest, I don't really know why we did that, because now I'm probably going to have to move sinks, and it's probably been a lot easier to do that with not water in the system, but too late now. Because it's been such a frustrated day, we're giving up now. It's about 4:30, but we're going to get the camping chairs over here, and we've got a bottle of Cava, or I don't know what it is, something sparkling, champagne or Prosecco in the fridge that's been there for about 6 months. So we're going to whack that out. It does feel like there's one thing after another that's been going wrong today, and I feel bad for Vic. But it's because he's been doing all the plumbing and everything like that. But it all feels like it's his things, but that's just because he's been doing them all, so he's definitely had more successes than failures. But I think today it's feeling like there's just one failure after another. Here he comes, gliding into frame. Dink. Dink. I feel like you should open this because you're the one in the best mood.
Maybe it'll help you.
No. What are we celebrating?
Nothing. Rubbish day. Ready?
Hooray!
Satisfying. Was it the 2013 Carver you were after? Enjoy. Or else. To plumbing.
To the lack thereof.
To gravity not being an issue.
To everything on a boat being a
Right, do you think we can use that?
Yeah.
It looks like it's going to be a nice day today. It was meant to be raining, but since it's nice, I think I'm going to go over and paint these like metal brackets that we've had made by a company actually that they live on a boat and they make these metal creations on boats. They're just up the canal from us, and so they're also roving traders, so that was really cool to like get something made for our boat business from another boat business. Vic's been over there trying to sort out plumbing. I think we've come up with I think he's come up with a solution to the sort of waste pipe problems that we were having. And yeah, so I'm just waiting some bread to be ready, and then I go over there while it's still sunny and get painting those brackets. can only hope that Steve isn't watching this, because I think I did everything wrong there. Started in the middle with 2 wet edges. What a joke. On cut grass that's like going everywhere onto the paint and splashing it on the other panels as well. There we go. That's not too bad of a job. Probably Steve would think otherwise. But that's the first layer of undercoat, and then there'll be another undercoat and 2 layers of gloss like we did. Well, I think there's more of that on the boat, but it shows you like how much harder it is outside, because there's loads of little bits of grass, insects are sniffing around. I know they want to land on it, but hopefully we'll be alright. It's pretty calm today. What's happening here?
Well, this is the sink, obviously.
Yep.
Basically, all these sinks are a bit low for that skin fitting, which is a bit high. So, with rather a kind of elaborate structure of plumbing, all the sinks are going to go into here and then get pumped out through there in the end. So what I've done now is I just cut out like a little template of that bucket, because then I'm going to cut a hole in here, because the bucket basically needs to sort of be on the floor to be low enough. But yeah, this should all be alright really.
It might seem unconventional. I don't know, it just seems weird, doesn't it, when you're used to pipes in houses taking everything away. But it's sort of similar rules to like a food truck or something. But yeah, it's just another way of getting rid of grey waste. Is that you've just made the pipe a bit longer that you needed?
Yeah, a tiny bit, just because it was always a little bit short. It would have gone stretched, but I just don't want it to sort of like come apart later on, if you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Once we've got this pipe in, we'll have a fully working sort of drain system. Cool. I think that's it.
What about... Oh, that's all of them going. So that hand sink there, that goes into this hand sink here in the toilet area. That goes along that pipe and then into there. So all sinks lead to this place.
Let's try it out.
Gulp. Where are you going to do it from? Each of the places?
Yeah, I think this one first, because this one's the furthest.
Okay, I'll try and get there quicker than the water.
Good luck. Ready?
Ready. That's cool, are you pleased?
Yeah, I'm really pleased. It's good, that. It's been a pain in the neck, and it's nice to think that now it will be sorted. Some little bits trickling through as the boat leans and stuff. It's alright. Good.
Dribble, drabble, dribble. Today is a great day. Well, there's things arriving, like the coffee machine. Whoops. The coffee machine is coming today. And what else was it? Oh, the pump that's not as fun. Vic's making porridge. Let's focus in on him there. How are you feeling about today? Pumped?
Yeah, I am actually.
Big strides. The weather has turned, that's why he's making porridge, and I'm wearing this Yeti costume again. Off on our little canoe, gondola today.
Giving up even sitting down these days. It's not long enough.
It's not worth it.
This is the water pump that's going to throw all of our wastewater overboard. Sounds particularly sort of unenvironmentally friendly, doesn't it? It's just tap water. Look at that.
It's pretty solid. The finishing touch.
I love these things. That isn't it bad. This is the first test of our uphill waste pump then. It's working.
That's great.
It's very good.
No leaks.
No.
Cool. Shall we lunch?
Yeah.
It was nearly time for lunch, but the people who are dropping off the coffee machine have just rang, so we're going to go and let them in the gate. Vic is. Yeah, thank you. Ooh. Wait. Go. We're going to see what it looks like and then find a way of getting it in, pretty much.
Quite looking forward to seeing
I want to see it! Oh my gosh.
God, it is big though.
Yeah.
How do you get this out? Do you want to try and lift it out?
Yeah, alright. Maybe.
Well, here it is. It's in here. Yeah, you're not seeing it from its best side, but we just had to lump it down pretty much wherever we could fit it. Oh, I can't wait.
Yeah, so exciting.
Yeah. Yeah, I just can't wait now. This is the good bit. Once we get stainless down, because we're getting stainless steel on the worktops, get that coffee machine in, get somebody gas, qualified to come do the gas. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yeah, learn how to use the coffee machine.
Yeah, learn how to make coffee. Get pass a food.
About safety.
Yeah, pass a health and hygiene.
Yeah.
Wait 28 days for that. Apply for a roving trader's license.
And we'll be
Build up a
away.
customer base.